Hello guys, today we have a KFC box meal, so I'm going to try it. So first, we have this thing. It's got some chicken inside, some yummy chicken.
You sure? What's inside? I can't see.
What's this inside?
Okay, there's some chicken.
Yeah,
right?
Very nice. Then there are some fries.
Fries, okay.
Very yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody likes fries.
And then what else do you have in
It's
the box?
corn on the cob.
Wow, okay.
And the best thing about it is the burger. And
Okay,
looks really yummy.
nice. Wow, that's really cool. Enjoy your meal.
Yeah, I will.
So you've got hash browns on that burger? What do you have?
Hash brown, cheese, and some chicken.
It's really hard to peel it out, huh? Take this off. Let's do one thing.
It's hard to open.
Can I do it for you?
Yeah.
So what's it got?
It's got a hash. Where's the cheese?
Oh, he didn't put the cheese. Okay, we'll ask him.
Whoa. Really good.
Good. What are you having?
I'm having chicken wings.
Spicy?
Not that much.
You've got corn on the cob there.
Yeah, these are the corn, these are the fries, and this is the burger. Yeah. Really good.